Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
I will show how to create a desktop app shortcut on Windows and Mac OS step by step. On Windows, open Start and find the app you want a shortcut. Right-click the app and choose Create Shortcut to place it on desktop. Alternatively, drag the app from Start to the desktop and drop to create a shortcut. On Mac OS, open Finder and go to Applications to drag the app icon to the desktop. You can also assign a Windows keyboard shortcut using Properties and Shortcut Key field. Next, I will explain how to pin apps to the taskbar or dock for fast access. On Windows, run the app, right-click its taskbar icon, and select Pin to Taskbar. This keeps the app available with one click from the taskbar. On Mac OS, control-click the app icon and choose Options, then keep in Dock to pin it. Pinning prevents desktop clutter and provides faster access than navigating menus. Use taskbar or dock pinning for apps you open frequently throughout the day. Finally, I will cover assigning keyboard shortcuts to launch apps quickly. On Windows, right-click a desktop shortcut, choose Properties, and enter a shortcut key like Ctrl plus Alt plus K. Press Apply and test the new key combination to confirm it launches the app. On Mac OS, open System Preferences, choose Keyboard, then App Shortcuts to add an application and assign a menu shortcut. Combine a keyboard shortcut with a desktop or dock shortcut to open apps instantly without.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.